Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on to share with you the new items that I got from Inloveart shop. And I will have all of the links in the description box as well as the website for you to go browse. And most of all, a coupon code. So my coupon code is Happy Crafter. So all of that will be in the description box. And also, besides using my coupon code, you get free shipping right now over $29. So if you order over $29, you get free shipping. Plus, you can use the Happy Crafter coupon code. So that's, like always, is a win-win. So the items that I received this time are dies. And I got this one here. This is a stackable squares. And, you can see that it cuts out hollow. So that's going to be fun. So I got that one. I need to turn that light down just a little bit. Dim that light a little bit to get rid of that glare. Now this one here is bag toppers. So these are like some mini bag toppers. And I love the sets that you get, 4 different ones. And these are approximately 2 1/4. Yeah, 2 1/4. Yeah, so all of them is pretty much the same size. They're just different shapes. So I love that right there. Who don't love a cute bag topper? So then I got this set here, which is a nesting set. So that's a really cute shape. And of course, my eye went straight to bag topper because you can fold it right here. You can fold it in half and then you will have that design there. And then you will have the option of different widths of what you need it for. Or you can, of course, card fronts. That would be really, really pretty. And then the last thing that I got here was this lidded box. So this is a lidded mini box. So that is how the base looks, the bottom. And then when you turn it over, you have the lid. So that's pretty neat. So it looks like when you put it together, the box is going to be about a 2x2. So that's a cute little size. And when something is a 2x2, you can get a lot of stuff in it. It might be like 1 1/8 for the bottom. Yeah. So it's going to be cute, and I'll show you how I put it together. And like I said, you do have the top on the back side. So that is my items for Inloveart shop. Like I said, go check the website out and use them coupon codes. And you could possibly get the free shipping if your order is $29 or more. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will be back with project shares. Y'all have a nice day.